What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are cooking a delicious meat and potatoes. Let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is get our russet potato diced into some cubes. I used 4 medium russet potatoes, and that fed about 5 to 6 people, so you can gauge how many you want to use from there. We're going to jump into our orange bell pepper. You can use green, yellow, whatever makes you happy with the bell pepper you choose. I choose orange because it gave a little bit more sweet flavor to it. It's not heavy at all, but the flavor is nice. That's going to the side. Here comes our onion. This is a huge onion, y'all. You can be good with a medium-sized or even a small onion, depending on how much you love the flavor. I'm only doing half of this one and slicing and dicing. Here comes our meat mixture. We're going to go in with some Italian sausage. I used half the roll because I am doing a small portion of this meal. And I also used half of my packet of hamburger. All of that's going in the pot. We're getting it all broken down so it can cook all the way through. You also just want to keep in mind to make sure it's cooked through with that pork in there. We don't want nobody getting sick. Here's our Creole. We're covering the top. Some garlic powder going in real nice. We got a little bit of cumin going in as well. I'm telling y'all, this meat and potatoes is so simple, so delicious, full of flavor. It hits all the spots. Here comes some onion powder. That's going to be covered on the top as well. It's cooking that meat down. I didn't show y'all, but I did drain my meat. I just put a paper towel in there to get that all soaked up so it wasn't so much grease. In goes our potatoes, our onions, our bell peppers. That's all getting added at this moment. We're just giving that a really good mix. Do better than me, y'all. Use a bigger pan so you have more room to maneuver. Here comes some minced garlic going in as well. Just giving that the best stir that I can, of course. Just making sure all those flavors are incorporated. Everything is touching the heat when it needs to. Here comes some chicken broth. Filling that up, covering that up, and yes, I did move to a bigger pan, just giving it some good stirs. And we are literally just cooking those potatoes. We want them to get to the texture that we personally like. The meat is already fully cooked, but those flavors are just combining. You can add some thyme to this, some parsley, some Italian herbs. And that's it, y'all. It's done. We're ready for plating. I put some Mexican cheese mixture on top of there. I put some chives on top as well. And that is our finished dish. Super easy, super delicious. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me some love in a comment. And until next time, bye.